Hey there, I'm Shannon, and I know I look a little Phantom of the Opera-y at the moment, but there is a good reason for that. A few weeks ago, I brought you guys a tutorial where, well, it was somewhat of a tutorial. I followed a tutorial that I wrote in 2007 on how to be seen, and that video got a really good reaction, so I wanted to do something sort of similar today. Today, I am not going in the archives of Shannon Taylor, little 12-year-old scene queen. However, I am going to be focusing on an issue that is pressing the emo subculture today in 2020, the roaring 20s. Recently, I have been having a massive crisis, an identity crisis. I have not been wearing eyeliner because frankly, I just can't find one that I like anymore. I recently tried this one. I don't even know what brand it is. It says Black Radiance on it. I don't know if that's the brand or the name of this specific one. Someone actually gave this to me. It lasted for 2 whole uses and then it was dried out and I am pissed, okay? In fact, I am so desperate. I've actually been taking the felt tip of this pen and dipping it in my black matte lipstick from Kat Von D, which I only have because I can't bring myself to throw it out. I hate wasting products. So I've been using lipstick as eyeliner. In fact, this is exactly what we got going on here. So today, your local emo is going to be trying a plethora of drugstore eyeliners to pick which is the most emo for all of us. I went to my local CVS, which I figure everyone has a CVS. I don't know. I live in Florida, so I have Publix. I know most people don't have Publix. I have Walmart. Most people are afraid to go in their Walmart. Not me, I'm a Walmart girl, just for the record, but I don't blame you. So I decided to choose something neutral and go with CVS. Da, 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 da. This was every single brand that CVS had on the shelves that I noticed. I grabbed one from each brand, all of them in the $10, $9 to $12 range, so they're all about the same. And we're just gonna jump right in and start testing these, see which one is the blackest, the richest, the creamiest, the best applicator, all of the above for a perfect emo wing. So I'm going to be starting with the eyeliner that I personally have the lowest hopes for, just based off of the packaging, and that is going to be Almay, because it just says, nice ink. Let's break it open. This is just in black, not in deep black, or jet black, or extra black, which also rubs my emo soul the wrong way a little bit. I need a superlative in front of my black. Alright, right off the bat, I hate the way that this, I hate this brush. I hate this applicator. I don't like the way it feels in my hand. I don't like that it's wide where I have to hold it. Also, the tip itself is a little fat, so not the greatest. It depends on how you like your wings, though. I like mine super skinny. This probably isn't the way to go. But let's test it on my face. Oh, girl. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is the type of shit I would have used in middle school. There's no precision here. I'm gonna do my best. Alright, this one is very thin. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a little watery. It's blacker than I thought it was going to be. And in fact, I'm doing a better job with it than I thought it would, but it's got more cons than pros, personally. Alright, I know I'm wearing lashes on this one, which was kind of an oversight on my part. I shouldn't have, just because I'm not going to apply lashes every time I put on eyeliner, but you can still kind of see the comparison. It's still not as black as my lipstick eyeliner, which really makes me sad, okay? Not that I wasn't already sad. A lot of you guys in my last video also really appreciated my dog under my blanket. She is saying hello. This isn't the worst in the world. I definitely got a mildly sharp wing out of this. However, it definitely took a little extra focus. I don't like that. I don't like to focus while I do my makeup. I like to just slap it on, be ready really quick. This took 2 passes to still not get it as dark as the black, which, like I said, don't like. I would say this one about lives up to its packaging. It's nice ink. Not that great. Not that great. I will give this one a 4.5 out of 10. Okay, this one came off beyond easy. The fact that there's absolutely no smudging is kind of concerning. It's nice we're taking it off, but that kind of tells me that this shit would not stay on very well during the day. Really quickly, before we move on to the next eyeliner in our emo eyeliner testing sequence, I'd love to give a really huge shout out and thank you to my sponsor of this video, Poshmark. A lot of you guys have actually been around and heard me talk about Poshmark before, and some of you have even bought from my Poshmark before, and I can't say thank you enough. Poshmark, for those of you who don't know, is actually a secondhand selling app. You can sell new and used items on Poshmark. I personally sell a lot of my old clothes. I'll show you some of my more emo items right now. So I've got my Never Shout Never tie-dye tank top going up for sale. This one's gonna be hard to part with. I've got these sexy AF pleather trip pants going up as well. Real, actual trip pants. I know, haven't seen these since before I was born. And I've also got a very traditional emo schoolgirl skirt, plaid skirt. On top of that, I'm actually gonna be listing 3 of whichever one of my favorite eyeliners is for the cheapest price that they will let me post it. I think that's $3. Whichever one is my favorite, I'm gonna end up posting on Poshmark. 3 of them for $3. Like I said, they're usually like $12, $10 to $12. So it's just a little thank you. You can get some makeup. Whichever one I decide is the best one. If you're interested in getting that and don't want to pay full price, I'll have a couple on my Poshmark for you guys to snag. If you need to download Poshmark, which I really recommend you do if you haven't already, the link is going to be in the top of my description. My username is right there as well. It would mean the world if you would follow me and check out some of my items. Thank you so much again to Poshmark. I hope you guys enjoy my little store. Alright, for our second emo liner, we are going to be trying one that looks actually pretty promising to me. This one is from Maybelline, and it is called the Tattoo Studio Eyeliner. Anything with the word tattoo in it has my vote. I usually like things with the word tattoo in it because I like tattoos, and usually that means permanent. We need that after this last one. We need something that's gonna stick, something that's gonna be rich and creamy. Alright, Right off the bat, this one has a better tip than the last one. It is a felt tip, but it actually has a little well, so it's real liquid liner. It's not like a felt tip marker. I like that just because you'll run out less fast. I usually stick with the felt tips, and like I said, those run out in like 2 applications for me, so maybe the well is the way to go. Let's try it. Way more precision on this one, and this one is way darker, despite the fact that it's not charcoal black or extra black or onyx black or jet black. It's just black, but it's doing a shove. So far, this one is better. This one is higher on the list. I know this is the most scraggly ass wing you see me do on here in a while, but we're doing a lot, so cut me some slack. I like that you can start out, just pretend this is a good wing. You can start out thin if you want, and build up. Unlike the other one that just straight goes on thick, this one's got some build up. All right, I can dig that. I actually really enjoy this one. The precision is something that I actually am stoked on because, like I said, that's one of the main things that I'm lacking. Most of these tips are way too fat. I don't know who they think I am, but I like my wings sharp, and for that I need a tiny brush, and this one does the trick. So far, I'm actually really happy with Maybelline's Tattoo Studio in black. For now, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. Honestly, there's nothing I don't like about it. Alright, for this third eyeliner, I'm going to be trying one from L'Oreal Paris, which is called the Infallible Paints, and it is in the color Black Party. This one has an adjective, okay, so we're in business. We're already in business. Black Party. This one, I've actually used, like, its sister eyeliner a few times from L'Oreal. It's not the Infallible Paints, it's just their regular skinny eyeliner. Alright, so this one is actually a felt eyeliner where the eyeliner itself is in the tube. So this one is, I can just tell you, is going to run out faster than the other ones. Just that is, such is life. That's how it goes. So we already have a con to this one, but let's try it anyways. Oh, hell no. Ooh, okay, alright. This one is darker than my usual L'Oreal eyeliner. However, you can just see, like, right away, like, okay, no one is doing their eyeliner like this, where the eyeliner can come out of the tip perfectly downward. So it struggles to come out, and I love the precision in these felt tips, and the actual, like, when it's in there, They're all felt tips, so I don't really know why they're called that. But when the eyeliner's actually in here, the precision, it's so much more accurate. I feel so much more comfortable holding this, not having to dip. But it never comes out as silky and... There she is. So this one has something that the last one didn't have that I like. This one dries matte. I love when my eyeliner dries matte. I don't like the shine, I don't like the way it looks in pictures, I don't like the way it looks in real life. This one is matte, so that gives it positive points, but the flow, man, it just was not there. It was not coming out, and that's a first time use. So you know 2 uses from now, and this shit's gonna be dry as fuck. So all that being said, if I'm gonna come up with a rating for this one, I'm gonna give it a 6. Let's give it a 6.5. Let's be fair, 6.5. All right, so moving on to our 4th eyeliner, I'm gonna go with one, again, that I do not have very high hopes for, just based on the packaging, although that doesn't mean everything. However, it did on the last one, so let's find out. This is Covergirl's Get In Line liquid eyeliner in the color Black Vinyl, so yes, superlative. This one has a 0.1 millimeter feather tip. It says right there, which actually this is the first one to actually give me the millimeter length of my tip.
That's what she said.
Oh shit, now that is sharp. That is very, very, very skinny. The skinniest of the skinny. You're blowing me away already, Covergirl. I was not expecting this. Let's try it out. Ooh, that is the skinniest I've done in a while, and had it still look solid and thick as a line. That is very, very, very skinny. And give you a round of applause for that, Covergirl. Wow! I like this one, actually. I'm pleasantly surprised. Despite the ugly-ass packaging, it did a pretty fine job. Now, that's not my greatest wing, but I kind of left it how it was because look how skinny that is. I don't know if you can see. Like, I got my wing, but then it trails off into just Mariah Carey skinny. You know what I'm saying? This one dries with a little bit of shine, which, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of because it catches the light in pictures. I'd rather it didn't do that. But it's something I can live with for how tiny this applicator is. I love it. Honestly, compared to the rest of them, I'm gonna give this one a solid 7. 7 out of 10. I just burped while I said that. Oh my god, girl. I just full-on swiped that and that did not come off. I might need to reevaluate my my number on that one. Oh my god. Alright, now it's coming off. This one is holding the best out of all of them. I'm actually very surprised. Maybe I should give it an 8. Maybe it's tied for 8. I don't know. No, it's gonna get a 7.5. 7.5. Can't go up a full number for that. Alright, for this next one, things are getting kind of crazy. Not really. This is Revlon's Color Stay in just black. Just black, again. However, the reason this one is so different, and I'm excited about trying, is this is our first cream gel eyeliner of the group. This stuff used to be my shit back in middle school and high school, so let's see how the gel eyeliner scene has improved since then. Alright, so we have our little well of gel. This isn't the applicator. The other side is actually the applicator. Oh, this is not gonna work, hunty. This is not gonna work. Look at this brush. This is way too fat. No way. No way. Do you know what we're about here? This is not about to work out for me. Oh well, we gotta try it. Maybe if we were using a different brush, yeah, but that's not what this is. We're testing it with what we're given. It's very creamy. Definitely the creamiest one so far. Oh shit, okay, alright, I remember why I like it now. This definitely is matte, it's creamy, it goes on wonderfully. Let's just see if I can make it into a nice sharp wing. It's a little crusty. It's a little crusty, we'll see. Okay, no. No, this looks like we put this shit through Facetune and used the blur tool on my eyeliner. I am not a fan. I'm not a fan. I like the formula. I really do. Unfortunately, I really like the formula. It's really nice. It's really creamy. It's really nice. However, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? I'm gonna give this one Oh, it's so hard because I do like the formula. This one's gonna get a 4. This one's gonna get a 4. I'm sorry. I cry. I cry every time. Alright, we are finally on to the very last of our eyeliners, and this is NYX's Super Skinny Eye Marker. This one comes in carbon black, so, you know, if this one is somehow skinnier than our 1mm, I think it was Covergirl, I'm gonna be genuinely surprised. Okay, so this one, first of all, has a grip. Woo! Grips. I like grips. It reminds me of those, like, squishy grips you would put on your pencils in elementary school. Yeah, that's what this kind of feels like a little bit. We've got a short... It's not quite fat because it's really thin at the end, but it is a very short tip. Whoa. Oh, whoa. That was pretty good. I liked that. That felt good. Like, it felt good to do. Is that gross? Ooh, girl. Okay, that was easy, and I loved it. I loved it. Okay, this one is matte black. It was easy to apply. Granted, it's not as luscious and liquidy and fluid as if it had a well, but for a felt tip, this one's bomb. I like it. That was easy. That was one swipe, and it looks good. For that, NYX, NYX, I don't know how we'd be saying that in 2020. NYX, NYX, you are gonna get a 7.5 out of 10. Alright guys, it is time for our official ranking of the eyeliners. In 6th place, we have Revlon's Color Stay Gel Eyeliner with a 4 out of 10. 10 being the perfect eyeliner. This one's a 4. In 2nd to last, we have Almay's Nice Ink Boring Ass Packaging Liquid Eyeliner with a well. It's got a 4.5 out of 10. Next up on our list of liners from worst to best, we have L'Oreal's Infallible Paints coming in at a 6.5 out of 10. In 3rd place, we have a nice surprise with Covergirl's Get in Line with a 7 out of 10. Genuinely surprised on this one. Our runner-up for Emo Drugstore Eyeliner of the Year is NYX/NYX. This is the one I'm currently wearing at the moment. I like it a lot, but not the best. And finally, for the winner of the Emo Eyeliner Wars, dun 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 dun, Maybelline's Tattoo Studio. I actually really like this. I'm really happy actually that I did this video to find this, because otherwise, honestly, your girl would probably be getting up tomorrow and doing her eyeliner with liquid lipstick again. So, with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. For those of you who have made it this far and heard me say it in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna be buying a couple of these, new, obviously, and putting them on my Poshmark new for as low as I can list them. I think that's $3, just to say thank you. If you guys want to twin with me on your eyeliner, you can. First come, first serve on my Poshmark. Like I said, that link will be in the description. I love you guys so much. I'm actually going to work, like real work. I have a real job. That being said, having a real job, I don't know where I'm standing now, but that being said, having a real job has made me want to film more. Like, it kind of feels like I'm in high school again. I have to do shit I don't want to do all day, and then I can come home, and filming is way more enjoyable than it would be if this was my full-time job. So I'm excited about that. That's good news, and hopefully I will be, not hopefully, I'm really trying to stick towards making at least one video every 2 weeks in 2020. I was gonna say one video a week, but we all know me, and that's probably not gonna happen, but we'll try. Let's set the standards realistically. One every 2 weeks. I'll see you there. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Hopefully less than 2 weeks from now. Bye!